What's going on, guys? So, you guys have been asking for a Hardbody update video for a while now. So I decided to go ahead and deliver on that. There she is. So I've been dailying it. Just kind of driving it around, making sure everything's good to go on it. As you guys know, suspension on these trucks is really soft, and I think the front is the worst. You know, the front is so soft on these. I don't know if you can see that, but anyways, I plan on fixing that. I have an idea to fix that. I'm just kind of cruising it around. I'm gonna try and get some driving shots of it tonight, but I don't know how that's gonna work. I don't have a mount for my camera.
I totally forgot the one thing you asked me to bring.
Oh my goodness, that's okay, because I couldn't even find my GoPro.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, like Levi stole it.
Hey everybody.
So, I don't know how this is gonna work.
I don't know. What is on your jacket? That's gross.
That's
is that Levi?
No, that's spray foam.
Oh,
that expanding foam.
Because it looked real gross.
This is what he's talking about. This is big old boogers. I think so. But Bo's here. We're at Taco Bell.
Bo's here.
Ted's here.
WRX is here. Right on. It's been getting freaking beat up in the snow for like 4 or 5 days. So it's pretty nasty right now.
It's been ridiculous. How much snow have we gotten? Almost 10 inches probably
10
between
inches
the last
few days, yeah.
And it's been since Friday.
I still have 5 inches in front of my front door. It's melted everywhere else in Sierra Vista, but since my front door faces north, it's just covered with freaking snow.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah,
but we're not lying. Like, there's some snow. This is from today too, huh?
Yeah, that's from this morning.
And then like the Hardbody's got some snow.
Yeah, the F-150 is like full of snow. It's like a winter wonderland in my bed.
It's ridiculous.
Yeah, it's freaking awesome.
Anyway, so we're gonna finish up at Taco Bell, then we're gonna go driving. We'll see how it goes. Like I said, I don't have a mount for the GoPro or for this. I was gonna bring the GoPro, but we're gonna try. We're gonna see what I can do.
Is that my toboggan?
Yeah, you forgot it at the house the other day.
So I was wondering where it went.
Yeah,
Ronnie stole it.
I stole it. But anyways, we'll see how the drive goes.
Yeah, dude, it's gonna be fun.
So,
woohoo!
So we're leaving Taco Bell, heading out for a drive. I want to let you guys know the next video on this is going to be how to install and make coilover mounts for this truck. We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna have to give it a couple months of testing to make sure that everything works out and everything is good to go with it. But that's kind of my plan right now, is to get the coilovers on the truck, then we'll get it tested. And then once it's tested and ready to go, I'm gonna go ahead and take it to a drift event. I'm really excited to get this thing back on track. I gotta get the coilovers on and I gotta get tires. Once I get those two things, the truck will be squared away. But anyways, I'm gonna get to driving. I'll talk to you guys in a minute. So we're out driving. I thought I'd bring the Hardbody back home. This isn't where it was bought. It was bought in Safford, not Sierra Vista. But there she is, sitting in front of the Nissan dealership. They're looking at me all funny. They're probably trying to close up. But anyways, I just want to tell you guys that we're going to put coilovers on the front of the truck. That's the next video that you guys are going to see about the truck. We're just waiting for the parts to get here and get the confidence to weld and chop up the frame on the truck.
We're at the Nissan place.
Yeah.
What a good idea.
I thought it was perfect.
The guy's in there wondering, he's like, what
I don't know, they're like, what are they doing? But anyways, that's what's next. Once that's done, it's tested and everything works out good on the Hardbody, we're gonna take it to a drift event and thrash on it. Bo's excited about that. He's been bugging me.
Excited to make a thrash video. We haven't made a thrash video in forever.
So he's been bugging me for a while about it. But anyways, I just want to give you guys an update, and figured since we were driving by the Nissan deallership, we'd stop in and say what's up to the home of the Nissans.
Right on.
Nothing cool here. Alright guys, as soon as the coilovers get here, we're going to get that taken care of, get those on, and we'll be sharing that with you guys. They're just cheap eBay coilovers. This is kind of like my test phase. If it works out, maybe later we'll get more expensive coilovers, but for now, I think cheapo eBay ones will be kind of perfect for it. And we'll see how it goes from there.
What up? Are you recording?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Like I said, what up?
Well, that's it for tonight, guys. We're done driving around. That was some stuff about the Hardbody. Hopefully it's a good little update for you guys. And stay tuned. We're going to be doing that coilover video hopefully pretty soon. The end of this month, early next month is my plan.
And hopefully drifting it really soon.
Yeah.
Probably as soon as I get the RX-7 running.
Hopefully before that. But I want to get the 240 going whenever we take this. That way Bo can drive the 240, I can drive the truck, and we can both have a good time and kind of get out there.
What a good buddy. What a good buddy. Donating his other drift car, his stepchild drift car for me to drift.
But anyways, that's it for us, guys. We'll see how my driving footage went. I don't know if the truck was too loud or anything like that. It's pretty loud, but this camera does pretty good, so we'll see. Anyways, we'll see you guys later.
Later.